Hello viewers, again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we're going to show you the burlap craft ideas for upcoming season and upcoming this festival season. Hope you all are enjoying these designs and ideas. We will try to upload the best and beautiful designs for you. So these craft is made for especially this holiday, and we will give you the ideas of burlap and jute craft. These designs is very interesting and beautiful. So viewers, hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. We will try to upload very best and unique ideas for you. Crafting is the stress release things for everyone, and every woman should do that, and everyone is doing to do what should have to do this. So we will really wants to appreciate these things. Western women are very creative and amazing mindset, and it is good for mental health. It is anti-stress craft for everyone this season. Which woman wants to make their house beautiful? So this craft is for you, and you are is a right place here. So watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We will give you the best and best designs in this video. In one video we give you
Creative Holiday Corner
60 plus designs.
Today we are diving into the cozy rustic world of Handmade Jute and burlap craft. So in this video we're going to show you the amazing craft ideas and beautiful collection of jute burlap craft, also known as fabric. Brings that natural farmhouse feel that makes Handmade decorations warm and timeless. From rustic wreath to handmade ornaments, this fabric transforms simple ideas into magical holiday decor. So grab your jute rolls, hot glue gun, and a little Handmade spirit, because we are about to create magic together. Burlap is one of the oldest, most versatile crafting material. Its earthy texture pairs beautifully with Handmade greenery, pine cone berries, and glitter accent. Whether you are aiming for farmhouse shabby chic or additional decor, burlap adds warmth and authenticity. It's also budget friendly and eco friendly, perfect for those who want sustainable holiday decor. So hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. Let's begin with the classic burlap Christmas wreath. Let's begin with the classic, the burlap wreath. Start with a wire, wreath frame, and even a simple cardboard circle. Cut long strips of burlap and leave them through the frame, fluffing as you go. Add pine branches, tiny berries, and a festive bow on top. You can personalize it with wooden letters spelling joy and Noel or Noel. Hang it on your front door, and instantly your home radiates rustic Handmade charm. Next, let's craft something simple. Handmade tree ornaments. Cut small burlap circles or stars and back them with felt for strength. Decorate with lace ribbons, tiny buttons, or glitter outlines. You can even paint white snowflakes directly on the burlap for the frosted effect. These ornaments not only look amazing on a tree, but they also make wonderful handmade gifts for friends and family. Now imagine your holiday dinner table, warm light, good food, and rustic burlap table decor. You can make simple jute table runners by fraying the edges and adding red or green ribbon. Wrap burlap around glass jars to create candle corners holders. Decorate with white twine and pine spring. For a finishing touch, tie small burlap bows around napkins, a little details that add a lot of charm. Guests will love the cozy handmade atmosphere and ask who made it, and you proudly said, yes, I made it. Another fun project is making burlap stockings. Sew 2 pieces of burlap into a classic stocking shape, then embellish with lace, filled shapes, or even stencils, names. They hang beautifully by the fireplace. Burlap also makes for eco-friendly gift wrapping. Wrap your presents in burlap, tip with jute string, and add cinnamon sticks or holly leaves for a rustic, thoughtful presentations. And you have it. Simple, creative, and festive X-Mix burlap craft that bring warmth and tradition into your home. Whether it's wreath or ornaments or a table decoration, each piece carries a handmade touch that makes the holiday season even more special. Don't forget the magic of X-Mix in the love. Is in the love, in creativity, and you put into every detail. Happy crafting and happy holiday. So, hope you like these designs and ideas. We want more information about that. We want more ideas to bring for you. The best part is this is the magical piece. So, welcome back to our festive craft corners. This holiday are almost here, and nothing says cozy Xmas like handmade decoration. Today we will explore the world of Handmade Jute and burlap craft. Burlap or jute fabric has that warm, rustic texture that instantly reminds us of farmhouse charm and simpler lives.